Okay, it's for a Chevy Express. To remove the shift cable, you don't want to pull this back. And you can see here. This is the cable here. This is the cable. It clips into there. You don't want to unclip it. And we'll go ahead and do that right now. You're gonna have to remove this here. I already took off this trim. Just goes here. Pull it out. You're gonna want to remove this, which has two 10 or 4 millimeter. This one right there. One right there. So it might just be two. Okay, let's check it out. That's one. That's two. There's one right there. That's three. No, there's one more over here. One of these wires. Oh, this should just come out. Now we can see the shifter cable right there. Okay. We're going to remove the shifter cable here. Pull that back. Like so. This is loose. Okay. So there's a clip right here. I'm gonna put this clip back. This is the clip. Put that clip out of the way. Go ahead and push these two tabs that are on the shifter link. Push them in. There you go, and push both of them in, and it'll push right back and allow you to wiggle it out. Like that. And now, go ahead and pull this carpet back. And you'll be able to see that shifter cable that I just pulled off. Run it down through this sensor here, put it through. And then we'll pry it off from there. Put this one back. Back. Just keep pulling this carpet back. Go ahead and do that. Probably have to remove this seat. To remove the seat, it's going to be one screw there. And one back here. Back here. And then two on the other side. So I'm gonna do that right now. So once you take, I took out the seat, take out the seat, find this rubber grommet, and you pry it up. This is going to allow you to pull that cable through. Like so. Now we'll go to the bottom and take it off, unclip it from there. So from under the vehicle, you're going to want to do the same. I'm going to pry this out here. Like so. Pry that out. Over here, you want to pull that clip back. that. And just gonna want to pull these tabs in. Can't do it with one hand, of course, so let me do it real quick. Yeah. So I went ahead and unclipped it from the bottom. It was just hard to hold the camera and do it at the same time. So with that unclipped from the bottom, just go ahead and reel it out from here. And there you go. And there you have shifter cable remover.